Hello everyone, welcome back to Bad King. This is Burna Boy performing for the audience. In celebration of his successful album, The African Giant, which he released 5 years ago, YouTube featured Burna Boy to come perform for some fans and he did extremely well. Burna Boy is right now the biggest artist out of Africa. Welcome back to Bad King. I hope you subscribe to this channel. This channel is about music, entertainment in general, and we give you quality music videos, and also tell you about the trending things on the internet relating to music and sometimes relating to other category or whatever. So I hope you enjoy this video as you'll be watching the rest of the video on how Burna Boy performed extremely well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, get subscribed to the channel, and also turn the bell notification icon on so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Thank you. The African Giant, Burna Boy, the legend, the king himself, is still doing this thing. He shows the kids out there back home how this thing is done and how he is the real man, you know. I'm talking about Big 7. So he's literally performing all his hit songs from day one of his African Giant album, and yes, everyone seems to be really going in sync with what he's doing. So he has some hits right there, and Burna Boy is him. Burna Boy literally has what it takes to be a complete artist. He has the dancing skill, he's controlling, he has the influence, he has the lyrics, and overall he has the potential to carry his talent to the topmost level possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are excited to watch Burna Boy have this amazing every single hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned.